Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Collins Crazy Creatures. Today I'm at the Catoctin Wildlife Preserve in Maryland, and today I'm going to see what animals they have and talk a little bit about some of them. This is a fossa, and the fossa is the largest carnivorous mammal on Madagascar. And since I'm a reptile guy, I'm going to show you some of the reptiles. And there was an African hothouse, which is where the venomous snakes from Africa were kept, but it was under maintenance, so I could not go in while there. These are anacondas, in this case, yellow anacondas. But there are also green anacondas, and green anacondas are the heaviest snake in the world. And in this tank are several reticulated pythons, which are the longest snake in the world. These are eastern box turtles. Box turtles are found all over the eastern United States, and you shouldn't take them out of the wild because they have a limited home range. And if you take them out of that home range, they won't know how to get back. So that's why you shouldn't take them out of the wild. This is a Burmese mountain tortoise. Burmese mountain tortoises are from Southeast Asia and are endangered. They are also crepuscular, which means they're most active in the mornings and late afternoons. They are also the fourth largest land tortoise in the world. While the Burmese mountain tortoise is the fourth largest tortoise species, the sulcata tortoise, or African spurred tortoise, is the third largest tortoise in the world. And then the second largest tortoise is the Aldabra tortoise, which lives with the kangaroos, and is from Aldabra Atoll in the Indian Ocean. And where do you think the Galapagos giant tortoise ranks in size? It is the largest species of tortoise in the world, even though they're from the small islands of the Galapagos. These are green iguanas. Green iguanas are a large species of lizard that can get 6 feet long from southern Mexico, as well as Central America and South America. And there are several iguanas in this massive enclosure, like that big red one over there. And they are also invasive in Florida, and that is because many people keep them as pets, and many people don't realize that they get this big and they need an enclosure like this zoo enclosure to be happy and healthy, so they let them go, or hurricanes destroy their enclosures and they escape into the wild. It's not every day that you get to feed an Oryx.
Okay, take two, don't let it eat.
It's not every day that you get to feed an Oryx. Nope. No. This is not a unicorn, this is an Oryx, and now I'm gonna feed it. Oh, you dropped it. Hello.
There are black bears over here.
It may look black, but it's actually a sun bear. Here, pig, 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 pig. What this nature preserve has that most other zoos don't have is bats, and these bats are active. These are Ceba's short-tailed bats. They are from southern Mexico and northern South America, and they live in humid tropical evergreen forests. And they are herbivores, well, technically omnivores, eating over 50 types of fruits. They drink some flower nectars and eat insects. They live in large colonies of several hundreds to several thousands, and they are also considered pests when they feast on cultivated crops such as mangoes, guavas, pawpaws, and almonds. This is from Egypt. This baby baboon was having a great time swinging on the fire hose. These are gray wolves. Gray wolves are the largest species of canid in the United States, and they are very majestic and are pack animals, and they howl to communicate. What's interesting is that the dingo's scientific name is Canis familiaris dingo, which suggests they originated from domesticated dogs. Not quite as big as a condor. The preserve has a very large variety of birds. Rhea are not typically found in zoos, but this zoo has rhea, and they also have ostriches, cassowaries, and emu, which means they have all four of the big ratites. The rhea ranks number 3, and the ostrich ranks number 1, and this one is a female. Number 2 is the emu. These are immature emus, and this is an adult emu. And the adult emu even came over so I could feed it. We do not get to see the cassowary because they are very elusive, and the cassowary is the smallest of the big 4. These are black swans from Australia, and there goes some food. This bird is the largest species of pigeon in the world. This big blue macaw is a hyacinth macaw. This funny-looking bird is a laughing kookaburra. This exquisite bird is the male Chinese golden pheasant. It did start to rain, but these barred owls didn't seem to mind. Seeing the parakeets at Catoctin Wildlife Preserve. No? Okay. I had a great time at the Catoctin Wildlife Preserve in Maryland, and this zoo actually feels like an actual wildlife park because it is very wooded and there's very little openness. And this zoo also has all 4 kinds of ratites and all 4 of the largest tortoises in the world. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and see you next time on Colin's Crazy Creatures.